YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy TCTHEBARBER back with another video. In this haircut tutorial, we'll be doing a mid-taper. Let's talk about it. So as you can see, I'm already starting my bald line at the nape of the neck. Then we're going to come back and clean up some of the existing hairs at the bottom. And then we can move on to our next step. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're coming back with the wall legends. Yes, they are legendary. Anyways, with the lever all the way open on the walls legend, I'm setting in my first guideline, going up about a half an inch. Alright, now we're going to close that lever all the way up on the wall legend and start knocking out that first bald line. And as we go up on the fade, we're going to open a lever up halfway, and that should meet right with that open lever that I started to create my first guideline. Alright, now we're going to open the lever halfway, and we just going to keep working up on the first guideline, knocking that bald line out, flicking up at it until we get that blurry look. You hear me? Alright, now with the one guard attached with the lever all the way open, I'm going to go ahead and set in my second guideline, going up about a half an inch. Now coming back with the half guard, lever all the way closed, you're going to go ahead and start knocking out the first guideline by flicking up at it and flicking out. And as we go up, we're going to open that lever halfway and continue to work that fade until we get that blurry look. You heard me? Just repeating myself, opening that lever halfway, and we're going to keep working right up under the second guideline while we knock that first guideline out. Flicking up at it, using that wrist action. We locked in, we loaded, we focus until we get that blend. We ain't gonna stop. We won't stop, baby. Can't stop. Didi. Okay, let's keep working. Alright, now with the 1.5 guard with the lever all the way open, what I'm going to do right here, not really setting a harsh line, really just debulking, moving some of the hair out the way so I can get to the second guideline. Alright, now with the one guard with the lever all the way open, I can go ahead and knock out the second guideline. Alright, now closing that lever all the way, we're going to continue to work out that second guideline. Alright, now coming in with the 2 guard, the high guard I'm going to be using with the lever all the way open. Don't want to take too much hair off, so I'm going to be debulking, scooping into the hair, scooping out. Want to keep it as thick as possible around this area because that's the look he wants. Now we finished up with the taper in the back. We can go ahead and edge them up around the ears, keeping everything natural as possible, just keeping it sharp. While edging them up, I'm going to be cleaning up some of the loose hairs that's hanging over the ears to make the taper look sharp and clean. And what you do to one side, you do to the other. Alright, so starting the side taper off, we're going to be balling from the chin up to about, I say, the top of the ear. And then we're going to move on to our next step. Alright, with the wall legends all the way open, I'm going to be setting my first guideline, going up about 1/4 inch. And as you notice, I'm flicking up and out because I don't want to create a harsh line. Just want to be easy for me to fade out. Right now we're going to close the lever all the way to start flicking at that ball line, and then as we go up on that fade, we're going to open the lever halfway to knock that ball line completely out. Alright, now with the one guard attached, lever all the way open, we're going to repeat the same thing, not creating a harsh line, flicking up and out, going up about 1/4 inch. Alright, with the half guard attached, closing the lever halfway, we're going to start knocking out the first guideline. Now closing the lever all the way should knock that first guideline completely out. Now with the 1.5 guard attached with the lever all the way open, we're going to work this area right up under the curls. As we go in, we're going to scoop up and scoop out. We just want to knock down some of the hairs, and then we're going to come back with the lever all the way closed with the 1.5 guard to continue blending that dark area until we get it faded to my liking. Alright, now coming back with the 1 yard with the lever all the way open, just to do some detail work. Keep working this area until we get it nice and smooth, till we get it, blended the way we want to blend. You feel me? So once you do to one side, you do to the other. So we just gonna speed this process up. Alright, now on both sides of the head, I'm going to be knocking down some of the loose hair just to make sure this taper nice and clean. Alright, so now for the final finish. The hairline is the most important part. I think we barbers all know that. So I'm pinning the hair up to get ready to start to edge up on the front hairline. Alright, now with the one guard going with the grain, laying the hair down so when I line it up, it'll pop. Going in, attack that front hairline, starting in the middle, and then we're gonna follow that right across the left side and to the right side. Alright, now lining up the corners, I like to use the edge of the eyebrow as a reference point. Or as like a guide, so that way I won't push the hairline too far back. Next step, just coming in with some enhancement, just to enhance the hairline. So I don't normally do this, but I've seen a lot of barbers do it and I feel like it looks neat. So I just kind of did this just so to highlight the hairline. Now before the final showing, I just wanted to hit the hairline again just to make sure everything is together. Alright YouTube, this is the cut. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Also, you can see in the corner, you can follow me on IG at TCTHEBARBER. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Also, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And that notification bell will let you know when I'm dropping my next video. And that thumbs up if you like what you see. Thank you guys again for supporting my channel, TCTHEBARBER. And I'm out. Peace.